Welcome back to Minute Math. Today we'll be trying a question on vectors. Okay, let's take a minute to first read the question. So AD, the question tells me can be represented by vector A. So you often write it out like that. Okay? And DB can be represented out as 3B minus A. Alright? The question then goes on to tell me that AD and equals to dy equals to yc, right? And that can be also expressed as factor A. Okay, now another information that the question gives us is that the ratio of ax to xb is 2:1, right? So that means that I need to find ab in order to find ax and xb respectively, but I don't have that information, correct? So to find AB, I need to first use the the first two pieces of information the question has given me. I can break down vector AB into A something plus something B, right? In this case, a good choice would be D, right? Because that is what the question has given me. So AD plus DB is equals to A, vector A, plus 3B minus A. So that is 3b. So if AB is the vector AB is 3b, I can then deduce that AX must be 2b and XB must be B. Alright, now we are ready to solve the question. Now the question wants me to show that XY is parallel to BC. So I start off with XY. I want to find XY, so I write it down first. Alright, then I can say that it is X something plus something y. In this case, a good choice would be A, right? Because I know both AX and AY. But since XY is XA plus AY, I need to swap the sign, right? Into AX plus AY. Like that. And I know that AX is negative 2B. AY, right? AY is essentially 2a, right? Correct? AY is just, if you want to break it more, you can say that it is AD plus dy, and AD and dy are each vector A, right? So that's 2a. Now, another one is BC, right? Vector BC can also be can be broken down, right? It can be broken down into B something plus something C. In this case, a good choice would be, let's say, A, right? Because I know AB, but since this is BA plus AC, I can change it to AB first. Then, negative 3B, AC is 3A. Okay, plus 3A. Then by inspection, I can conclude that XY is 2/3 BC. This gives me two pieces of information. It tells me that XY is parallel to BC. It also tells me that XY is 2/3 in length than BC. Okay, and from the diagram you can tell, right, XY is significantly shorter, right? So the ratio of XY to BC is 2:3, right? Or the length of XY is 2/3 the length of BC. So XY is 2/3 in length, is 2/3 the length of BC. Okay, so let me just reword it. Okay, the 2/3 the length of BC. That's all for this video. Okay, hope you have enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.